Hey friends, if you wish to fix the error 0xC0070652 when installing or uninstalling programs in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to restart your computer and try again. Right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out and then select restart. The next solution is to troubleshoot or uninstall in the clean boot state. Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab, check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. The next solution is to check the status of the Windows installer service. Search for services in the Windows search bar and open services, and then scroll down to the Windows installer service. Right click on it and then select start. After this, stop the MSI server process, but this is only available on MSI system. So search for task manager in the Windows search bar and open the task manager window, and then scroll down to MSI. Okay, if you find it here, then after that, the last solution is to open system restore. Search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open recovery. Click on open system restore, click on next, select a good restore point, click on next, click on finish, and then click on yes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.